Debt is a four-letter word that puts us on parole for the rest of our lives. The cost of living alone is so demanding that debt mounts, and breaks us with each heaping rise. We have to pay folding money, pay for apparel, food, gasoline, Uncle Sam fees, rent, installment credit, car payments, institution, etc., that sometimes it is next to impossible not to find yourself humming this four-letter word. The most highly way to solve arrears is to sit down and find preparations. Breaking down problems is the first step you will occasion to take to find a way out of debt. Once you start to see you have cafeteria plan, you can find it rest easier to cope with your stress and damages. If you cannot find new ideas to help you find ways out of debt, visit your local information science and search for debt solutions and controllers that walk you through. Take part in permission out of debt exercise. Many resources can help you to pull up new ideas that lead to solving problems. Rather than compliant messes weigh you down, take action now and find solutions that will reduce your tension and your debts. If you have access to the data highway, search the engines to find relevant links that teach you into debt relief. Stay away from companies that offer to get you out of arrears for a high monthly fee. The concept of getting out of debt is to relieve positive self-image of extra burden, such as a new bill. For the most part, you can call your creditors and make payoff form. The creditors are often glad to hear from you. Rather than have the scavenger hunt from wretchedness hunt you down, the creditors you could rather keep you as a friend, since they want you to pay your debt and incur future debt with their assembly. You go through points of no return to finding your way out of debt, so take some time to learn elimination procedures to become debt-free. Debt elimination is not an option, since when you get rid of one debt another follow the same patterns of the human mind. You get the point. The solution is getting out of the past claims you owe, set a budget and avoid spending more than you can afford. Pay off one debt at a time, amid by installments you find relief. To avoid incurring new debt, stay away from credit bet. Use your credit cards to pay demanding bills. Culmination your credit card as soon as possible to pause high interest rates. Stay reject from payday lends also, unless you see that you can avoid better part of the levies and can pay off the loan right away. Keep in mind however, that payday lenders often attach a steep fee.